If you're having trouble deciding on a machine to make shaved ice for delicious and refreshing beverages and treats, this is the video for you. In today's breakdown, we considered features, quality, and value to bring you our list of the top 5 best shaved ice machines available now. Let's get started. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Shaved Ice and Snow Cone Machine. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice machine is a good option for those looking for an easy and efficient way to make shaved ice or snow cones. This is an affordable machine with a sturdy design that performs well even when shaving many servings of ice in a row. We love that this machine comes with several accessories and extras, including 3 flavors of syrup and blue raspberry, cherry, and grape. Plus, it comes with 25 cups, 25 spoon straws, 3 bottle pourers, and 2 ice molds. It's easy to use as well. Just load your ice mold and apply medium pressure to the gray button. Overall, the Hawaiian Shaved Ice machine is a good choice for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use machine for creating shaved ice and snow cones. The pros are that it's a good value option, it includes plenty of extras, and it's functional, sturdy, and easy to clean. The cons are that to get good results, you must use the ice molds that are included. Number 4. VIVOHOME Electric Dual Blades Ice Crusher Machine. If you're searching for a dependable way to make shaved ice, it's definitely worth considering the VIVOHOME Electric Dual Blades Ice Crusher. This is a high-quality machine equipped with a 300-watt motor and capable of 2,200 rotations per minute. We like that it's mounted on a sturdy base and that the blades and ice bowl are made from food-grade and anti-corrosion stainless steel. Additionally, it can produce up to 143 pounds of shaved ice per hour. For added safety, when you open the lid, it will stop the blades from turning. With its reliable performance and impressive output, this machine is a very good choice all around. The pros are that it has a great design and performance, good safety features, and can use any type of ice cubes. The cons are that this is a machine only, so you'll need to shop for the extras to get started making frozen drinks and treats. Number 3. Cuisinart SCM 10P1 Snow Cone Maker. We like that the Cuisinart SCM 10P1 has an attractive, nostalgic design, but also features a powerful professional level motor and blade mechanism for quick and efficient work. Additionally, it has a user-friendly interlock feature that ensures safety while in use. The pull-out serving tray and 2 fold-down cone holders are convenient, and it also comes with 2 BPA-free reusable plastic cones and 12 paper cones. The Cuisinart SCM 10P1 Snow Cone Maker even comes with recipe ideas to make your own syrup. With its great design and performance, it's a very nice machine for creating delicious snow cones, slushies, frozen lemonades, or adult beverages. The pros are its attractive design, it's convenient and easy to use, and it's fast enough to make up to 4 cones in 1 minute. One con is that the overall construction is less sturdy than some other machines available. Number 2. VIVOR 110-volt Commercial Ice Crusher. VIVOR's 110-volt Commercial Ice Crusher is a reliable and well-built machine designed for crushing ice into fine, fluffy snow perfect for semi-frozen drinks, snow cones, and other treats. The 300-watt motor is very powerful and runs at up to 1,450 rotations per minute, while the dual stainless steel blades make quick work and produce excellent quality shaved ice. The hopper is also made of stainless steel, and the built-in storage box is also able to hold up to 9 gallons of shaved ice, making this machine great for high volumes and commercial uses. For safety, the machine's equipped with a waterproof switch that can be quickly turned off and on. The machine can crush up to 440 pounds of ice per hour, ensuring that treats can be served promptly and that large quantities can be completed quickly. Overall, VIVOR's 110-volt commercial ice crusher is a powerful machine with commercial-level capability and would be an excellent addition to any drink stand, cafe, or restaurant. The pros are that the machine is powerful and well-built, it makes very good quality shaved ice, and it's great for high volumes and commercial use. The cons are that the purchase doesn't include extras like syrups and cups, and it may be more than needed for typical home use. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Little Snowie Max Snow Cone Machine Premium Kit. If you're looking for a high-quality, powerful, and user-friendly ice shaver, then the Little Snowie Max Snow Cone Machine Premium Kit is a great option. This machine is well made and equipped with an impressive 1000 watt motor with a peak horsepower of 2.7 and a 301 hardened stainless steel blade. Plus, its easy to use design allows you to get a very nice snow-like texture quickly and easily. This machine can fill up to an 8-ounce cup in about 5 seconds. While there are other bundles available, the Little Snowie Premium Kit comes with a great selection of accessories for exploring possibilities and entertaining guests. It includes 12 assorted flavor powder sticks, 8 snowy shovels, 8 souvenir cups, 2 souvenir mixing bottles, and a drip tray. This is a great way to enjoy snow cones with your friends and family. Perfect for any summer party. Overall, the Little Snowie Max Snow Cone Machine is a great choice for those who want a reliable and user-friendly machine for making frozen drinks and treats. The pros are, it's a powerful, well-made machine, it's user-friendly, and comes in a kit with lots of extras. The cons are that while this is an excellent machine that works quickly, it does not have a large reservoir for very high volumes. Still need a little more help deciding on the best shaved ice machine for your needs? Take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these choices. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.